Good day everyone, I hope you're doing great. Let's go shopping. We're going to grab a power supply and some filament. So firstly, let's grab the appropriate power supply. We're looking for a 12 volt unit. Okie dokie, appropriate power supply is in a cart. Let's go get some filament. Alright, for filament I'm looking for a color similar to cocoa fiber. I want to make some phony cork bark pieces. A day and a half later I have my package and I'm going to open the box with my scissors that can split and become a knife. A lot of bubble wrap, a heck of a lot. Alright, for the contents we have some multicolored cable ties, small. We have our power supply and one roll of filament. And not to keep you hanging, the power supply has been replaced and the 3D printer is back online. Happy day! Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. We'll be back with you soon.